Welcome back to You Can Do It. Today we're looking at the Stihl MS200T with a 16-inch bar. Now I've had a lot of people on the channel ask me about have I got a video of this thing working. So this is your standard MS200T, which we've then modified the exhaust, modified the cylinder by taking out the gasket and everything. I've resurfaced the pump. Now all of I've got links at the end of this video to my YouTube channel that's got videos that cover that thing, so the exhaust, the cylinder mod and the carburetor. Now these carburetors are brilliant carburetors, but they have a pump jet in them, and you can replace all the gaskets on the carburetor, but if you don't do the pump jet gasket or rings, then you won't get the throttle response that you get. Now these run they're absolutely fantastic saws when they're running perfect. Okay, so this has got a 16-inch bar with a semi chisel chain on there. Let me move on. We've got the local farmer next door, and he will give him a hand cutting up his trees and things like that. So we'll move on now to the video of me using this, cutting maple actually, which is a hardwood, just been felled. So you can see that. So let's move on to that video now. Okay, so we're back there. So you saw me on that video. Now this chain is ground for more softwood, so you could see there when I was cutting the hardwood it was bouncing a little bit because the rakers were a bit too low, but don't really worry about that. And for anyone that mentions that there was a little bit of sawdust just before I started cutting, and that's because I just marked it, because over here in Europe we cut at 1 meter lengths, and then it's split and stacked like that, and then you cut it down from 1 meter to 33 or 25. So that's why I just marked the 1 meter lengths before I cut it. So that's why there was a little bit of sawdust on the ground just before I cut each cut. But as you can see there, it went through there absolutely fine. I mean, it wasn't until we got to sort of the last logs I cut that we're getting really close to the full length of that bar. But as you could hear, that was cutting through that no problem, and I was going fairly easy. So yeah, I highly recommend it. These things will easily pull a 16-inch bar, as I say, and that's got a semi-chisel 3/8 chain on it. Highly recommend it. So if you want to see how to do all that, look at my video. The links are coming at the end of the channel. And just remember, you can do it. Hope you like the channel. If you like it, subscribe, send me any comments, and see you on the next video.